A 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee, or Jeep WK, however you like it. Got a 3.7 motor in it, and it's overheating. Problem here is the radiator fan. It's not working. It did its job a couple times over, went through hell, went through mud, went through snows, water, you name it. And it finally let go. It's not seized up. You can see it's moving. You hear that? Listen. Probably the bearings let go inside. Listen. It's done. Alright. I'm going to show you how to take it out, install it. It's real simple. If you watch my radiator video, you got one bolt here, 10mm. Got one. Just see. Got another bolt right there, 10mm. You got. Let's see. You got one 10mm here on this side, and another one further down there on that side. 4 bolts, 10mm each. Take them out. You got the wiring harness right here. Flat screwdriver, small screwdriver. You pry it, comes apart. Simple. Okay, it took me about 12 minutes to get it out. There's the hole for the screw there, and there. This is the side here that faces the radiator. Here, listen again. Here, done. Here's this is the harness. You put a screwdriver right in here, tiny little flat blade screwdriver, push this down, grab the other side of the harness, and separate it. No biggie. This is the new one here. This part number, it's a Dorman 620-051. And what I've noticed is it doesn't come with the main harness. So you pull this off here, off the fan. Got a wire tie here. Got a sensor here, what looks like another 10mm bolt. I would spray this with WD-40 just in case, because with Jeeps, everything rusts, especially when you go hard on them like I do. Okay, here you got your main harness off the old one. Clean contact, make sure everything is clean. If not, take contact cleaner, spray it in there, blow it with compressed air. This doesn't bolt up to here. You also have to take off the bracket off the old one. Another 10mm bolt that's rusted the hell up. Hopefully it comes out smooth. And to get that, you gotta go from the front of the fan. This is where the harness was plugged in. This is where that sensor was plugged in. Gotta flip it over. Move the fan out of the way. Take your 10mm bolt off. The bracket installed, sensor installed, main harness installed. Harness wires installed behind the little holders. Also note, on the old one, you have this right here. This tells, there you go. This tells the AC technician or whoever's going to charge it how much pounds of Freon you need in the AC unit. My advice is to take this off as gently as possible. Save it with your owner's manual, or keep it in your glove box or wherever you save it or anything. Don't lose this. Alright? Before I put it back in, let me show you where the 4 bolts go. Upper radiator hose. There's your first bolt where it goes in. Further down is your second one. Passenger side, one here. Go up, we got one here. This expansion valve for the AC unit, the fan shroud goes behind it. This goes over the fan shroud like that. and bolts in. The bolt goes through there. So see, so he's sandwiching it. This hose, power steering hose over here, is in the way. So when you're pulling out the next one, you gotta wiggle it like that and move these out of the way so it comes up free. You don't have to take out the radiator hose. It's not in the way. You can push it out the way. It's not that hard. And this radiator hose, lower radiator hose, same thing. Just push it out the way. Freon lines, AC lines, they weren't in my way, so I left them be. Okay, you see this bolt here, the lower bolt? See that little lip that's on the radiator? Make sure when you're putting it in, you sit it right on top of that first. And then all the bolts will line up. Start all 4 bolts first. Make sure they catch before you tighten either one. If you're not sure, it's the fan that's bad for sure, for certain. You got a fuse panel right here. First one, front one towards the front of the car. These 2 relays right here are for the fan. If you look over here on the box, radiator fan are high, radiator fan low. So these, I just went to AutoZone when I bought the fan, $15 each. So I'm gonna take that back because I know for sure it wasn't there. I was just making sure. And that's about it. Take that, close that, make sure it's sealed. Make sure your terminals are good in the wintertime, no rust, no corrosion, no funkiness there. No leaks, no nothing. Okay, got the fan in. Now I got to just plug in the harness. There's the harness right here. Cleaned it out, made sure there was no corrosion or anything in there funny. So just connect them back. It's hard to do with one hand. Here you go, better view. Just plug it in. It goes in only one way, you can't mess it up. Make sure you hear the click. That click right there, airtight right there, water seal tight. Those harnesses are water sealed, so you really shouldn't have no problem getting them. Next step is start it up, get it to operating temperatures, and make sure the fan kicks on and off. As you can see, the fan is already in action. There's the stick I was talking about. Make sure you take out. It didn't come out too easily. Well, if you ever need the numbers, this is what you need right here. Compressor oil for the 3.7, 4.7, 5.7. There's the part numbers of the oil. Then you got the pounds of Freon, R134A. That's the Freon that you put in. 24 ounces for a single unit. Dual unit, 34 ounces. Alright? Here's the price of the parts. Relays, 2 of them, $31.98. Fan assembly with the shroud, $119. That's it. Total $169.03. This is the part number of the relays. Duralast 19273. That's the relay for the fan, one of them. And like I said, you need 2 of them. Taking these back because they're $15 each, and it wasn't needed. Hope you like watching. If you have any questions regarding your Jeep, send them to me. Post a comment down below. I respond to everyone. Also, this fan is the same for the 3.7 and the 4.7. Alright? Thumbs up if you like. Share, spread the word. Catch you next time with the next video. Coming very soon.